Chance Instant foundations are easy to install steel pole bases for street lights, roadway lighting, EV charging stations, railway infrastructure, and more. The cableways in the foundation provide accessibility for electric wiring, and since there is no concrete to cure, they can be immediately loaded after installation. They can also be equipped with an anti-theft option to prevent the loss of copper wire. Copper wire theft has become a problem for many municipalities. To help our customers address this problem, Hubbell engineers developed the Chance anti-theft device. This foundation edition includes a two-piece system consisting of clamps and a tamper-proof box. The clamps secure the copper wire, and the box makes it impossible to reach in and detach the conductor. If an attempt is made to pull the wire out, it snaps at the clamp, thus preventing further loss and an expensive repair. Another benefit is that when the device is encountered at one pole, it discourages similar theft attempts and destruction at nearby poles. The anti-theft device can be ordered as part of new Instant foundations or as a retrofit kit for most existing Instant foundations. Take meaningful action to keep copper wire where it belongs. For more information, email civilconstruction@hubbell.com.